Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an image to your Android Studio app. In order to do this, you're going to need an image. So head on over to Google and simply type what you want. I'm just going to type Android and click images, and now we can see all these images of Android. Now we select what we want. Now I seem to like this one right here, so I'm going to click on it and click view image, and it'll take me to a giant picture of it, and I can right click on it, click save image as, specify that I want it saved to my desktop or anywhere else, but desktop is easier to find, and I'm going to rename it. I'm just going to call it Android background, then click save. Now we need to add the image to our Android Studio project, so simply go over to Drawable, which is under Res and under App, right click on it and go all the way down to Show in Explorer or Find in Finder, depends on if you're on Mac or Windows. Then you'll see this with your project, and you want to click Drawable, and then we're going to add our image in here. So let's minimize Android Studio, find our background, and just drag it in here. Then we can close that window out, and when we go back to Android Studio, it'll automatically add itself. So now we have our Android background. There's two ways to set the image to our app. We can either use the XML, or we can assign it in the Java, although I will show you how to do it both ways. The first way would be to go over here and simply select image view and drag it on there, and then we need to specify the source, so we can go to text or over here to source and simply type Android src at Drawable and then whatever we named it. So I named Android background, so that's what I'll specify as the source, and as you can see here, it pops up. Keep in mind, if you have a lot of layouts, like for instance I have a portrait layout and a landscape layout, I will need to do that twice. So I'm going to go over here, get my image view, click it onto here, and add my Android background. Now on both my layouts I have my picture. This is a nice method, but if you have a lot of layouts it can be very time consuming, so I prefer to take a different method. What I like to do is just add my image view to all the layouts that I need it on, and then I specify the ID of the image view. Specifying the ID of the image view doesn't really do anything yet. All it does is specify in the XML which image view we are referring to. So when we use our Java, we're going to find this image view and only this image view. But since we have both layouts with the same ID for the image view that we have in there, it'll reference both of them. So let's go to our main activity, and we need to type some code. So let's type image view, and then we'll click a space, and we'll type my image view equals image view, and then find view by ID. Then we'll do r.id, meaning resource, which is this folder, and then we find the ID of our image view, which is in both of these files, and that is my image view. Then add a semicolon on the end, click enter, and we're going to do my image view dot set image resource r dot drawable, which is what we need here, dot Android background, and then in our design we'll still see it's not showed up, but if we run it on a real device you will see the image. Thanks for watching. As usual, this code will be posted on GitHub for you guys to follow along. I hope you learned a lot in this video, and subscribe for more.